Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Accountitude. Another question in front of you from the fundamentals of partnership is regarding when there are insufficient profits to distribute among the partners for the claim which they are demanding from the firm. Here, Vinod and George, they were the partner in the profit sharing ratio 5:3. Their fixed capitals were 3 lakh and rupees 4 lakh. As per the deed, interest on capital is to be provided at the rate 12% per annum. So here, interest on capital is to be provided at the rate 12%. Profit before sharing, before providing for this interest on capital was 63,000, and we need to pass the journal. So first of all, before passing the journal, let's understand the case. For the profit distribution among the partner, which account is prepared? Profit and loss appropriation account is prepared. Here in the profit and loss appropriation account, from the P&L account, I got a profit of rupees 63,000 in total here. This 63,000 profit is distributable among the partners Vinod and George, but for which they are demanding 12% IOC. When we calculate 12% IOC on 3 lakh and 4 lakh, what is the amount of IOC? That is 36,000 and 48,000, which makes it a total of rupees 84,000. But the profit with us are 63,000. Now you have to keep in mind that IOC is not a charge. It is not a charge. It is just an appropriation of profit. For appropriating the profits means we can take away only the profits which are left with us after meeting all expenses. So we cannot pay this 84,000. That means this 63,000 is distributable among Vinod and George in their profit, in their claim ratio. What is the claim ratio here? Claim ratio is IOC. What they are demanding from the firm is IOC. Interest on capital they are demanding is 36 is to 48. What is the ratio of 36 is to 48? That is, both are divisible at the table 12. So we got a ratio 3 is to 4. In another way, if you see, this 12% was common to both of them. So if we can delete this or cut this, and we can cut this zeros also, what is the ratio of their claim? 3 is to 4. That is also clear from here. If you have a short question MCQ, you have to follow. You need not to go for a detailed point over here, because you know IOC chargeable to both of them is same rate, right? So what we can do for their claim ratio, we can do take their fixed capitals that were 3 is to 4. So 3 is to 4, this 63,000 profits was divided. So we got 63,000 into 3 by 7 and 63,000 into 4 by 7 for IOC of Vinod and George, that is 27,000 and 36,000. Mind you, here we have written the word current account, not the capital account. Why current account? Because it was mentioned in the question that their capitals were fixed. So the profits are distributable to which account? That is current account. But in the question he asked us to pass the journal. So how to pass the journal here? First of all, we took P&L account to P&L appropriation. These are from here, from your account only. Profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation. Firstly, we got the profit transferred from P&L to P&L appropriation. Narration would be profit transferred from P&L to P&L appropriation. Then this P&L appropriation was appropriated among the partners current account for IOC. So first of all, you would be giving this IOC to the partner. So what journal we have to make over here? IOC to Vinod's current account to George's current account, right? First of all, you will write IOC to Vinod's current account to George's current account, because IOC is an expense for the business, so it should be debited. You have done journal last year. It is an expense. All expenses are debited. And to whom these are payable? Here to Vinod and George current account with the rupees 27 and 36,000, that is 63,000 total. Now this IOC would be charged from which account? That would be transferred to your P&L appropriation account that we journal made over here. What was the journal here? That is P&L appropriation account debit to IOC in total was 63,000. So P&L appropriation account debit to interest on capital with the total amount of rupees 63,000 for debit also and for credit also. So this is the way you have to prepare the journal for the given question, and how the profits were distributable when there is not sufficient funds for the distributable. Then the profits are taken in claim ratio, right? In which ratio? That is claim ratio. Thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.